Myself Suganya, Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration in Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is variable and types under the variable. So we all know that what is meant by variable is nothing but it going to store one of the value in a variable. So there are many types of data types available for storing a value in a variable. So we all in my last previous video we have discussed about what is data type. So data types are nothing but integer, float, character and string. So in these data types only we are going to store a value with the we are going to store a value with the help of data types. So the basic structure of data type will be simply it is a data type. If you want to create a variable, maybe in that cases we have to give a variable name equal to some value we may assign or we may not be assign some value. So this line state that it going to assign some value to a particular variable with the data type of maybe of any one of the data type we already discussed. So for example, if you want to perform an integer variable creation means int a is equal to 20. So in this case 20 is a value it going to store in a variable called a, which is a type of integer. So this is the basic structure and syntax for the variable creation. So next we are going to see about variable types. There are 6 variable types are available. First one will be the local, global, static, auto, extern and register. These 6 are the different variable types in a C programming language. First we start from a local variable declaration. So local variable creation is nothing but it going to use and perform and declare only inside of a particular block or a function. So it automatically says that it implicitly says that it going to perform only with the particular block of a function or a particular block of a program. So it is used only in a locally it going to perform some operations. So it may called as it is a private one. So next is a global one. Global one says that it going to use or declare or create created variable in a outside of a function or a block. So what it means that the variable is declared as a public. So the variable may access any one using that program or a function. So third one is nothing but static variable. What the static variable is going to perform is it going to perform or constant value it going to perform in a program. So this type of variable creation is done by using the keyword called static. Static data type variable is equal to some value we are going to give. So this type of variable creation may be used, variable declaration may be used as a locally or a global variable declaration. So the fourth one is nothing but extern variable type. So what the extern variable type going to use is, it is similar to the concept of the static variable creation. So this also done by using the keyword called extern data type variable name is equal to some value. So for example, extern int a is equal to 10, a equal to 20. This is the sample format for the extern variable creation. So next one will be the register variable creation. So the register variable creation is going to what it going to perform is it going to perform externally we are going to register a variable. So for that also we want to perform we want to use a keyword called register with the basic variable declaration. So we saw about what is a static variable and what is local variable, what is global variable, and next is the extern variable, and next is the register variable. So these are the variable types under the C programming languages. So in this video what we learned is what is the use of variable and how we are going to create a variable and what are the types under the variable creation. So next concept will be how we are going to assign some value to a variable. So for assigning some value to a variable is done by using the operator called equal to. So The variable creation is done by using the equal operator, that is the assignment operator. So the example may be data type variable name is equal to some value. So int is a one kind of data type. Int a equal to 20, float b equal to 25, character c is equal to, in a single quotes I am just giving the value as a c, string s is equal to welcome. So this is the how we are going to assign some value to a particular variable. Thank you.